Hello everyone, this is Leo from Landpack Machines, and here is our horizontal packing machine workshop. And today I would like to introduce our flow packing machines for the chocolate block. And let's see how the machine works. Our flow packing machine is with very easy operations, and you just need to click the start buttons, and then the whole machine will work. And put the products on the tray conveyor, and it will go through the backformer. Then go through the cutter. Okay, after watching the whole machine's workings, let's move forward to the machine's detail. The whole machine is made of stainless steel 304, and then this one is the color mark sensor to detect the color mark. And this one is our detective sensor to detect the product. Also, we have touch screens. You could change all the parameters on the touch screen easily. Also, let's check the electric box. We have 3 servo motors to control the machines, and then the PLC system. So the machines will be very smart and easy operations. Okay everyone, after watching the whole video, I believe you have a basic knowledge of our flow packing machines. And if you have any questions or requirements, please feel free to contact us and contact Landpack. Thank you.